How's it going, everyone? I've got this Airpro Welded Wire Fence here. I'm going to use this to make a chicken tunnel for the chicken run. What we're doing here is using this finer mesh here for the bottom portion of it. This comes with some gloves too, which I really recommend you wear because this stuff will cut the heck out of you. Here we just rolled it all the way out and flipped it over to kind of take the memory out of it so it'll sit flat. There it is from end to end. Again, this is just going to be the bottom, and we're going to take some regular fencing and zip tie it to one side and then bend it around and tie it to the other. Well, and if you run out of zip ties, which we did, it's no problem. If you got some wire laying around, just use wire. And actually, that's probably the better stuff to use anyway. Zip ties are just a little bit easier. They go on there quick, but if you could tie some wire, that's probably the best way to go. Now we're just taking this other section of fence here and just kind of forming it around, kind of creating a semicircle is what we're after. And then we'll zip tie the other side to the bottom of that fine mesh welded wire. I found it easiest just to kind of put my foot down where I wanted the bend to be. That way I could keep it straight, and I kind of tried to, it's easy to lose your line when you're doing this, so using your foot as a guide on where to bend it really helps out. And there it is. So we got the other side in, all zip tied and wire tied. There's our chicken tunnel. I went ahead and cut a door in for them, and it's a latching door too. That way we can close it up at night. But here's some Rust-Oleum green paint. We went and hit it with some of that. Oh man, the chickens really love this. It's kind of fun for them. So we didn't paint the whole thing yet, but the whole thing will be green eventually. But we couldn't wait to get the chickens in there and through it. So we let that little section of paint dry and then let them go try this out. But they seem to really love it. And we have it right now directing just to a temporary open fence that they can go out and get water in. And we went ahead and did one more section. We're going to go ahead and connect the two. There's a chicken run all along here. You can get it out to an open area where you want it.